What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some hub centering rings to my aftermarket wheels. Let's do it. Oh, and today we're gonna pick the winner for the LEDs. Let's do it. Alright guys, that's the Corolla, and today we're gonna install these hubs centric wheels. Okay, let's remove the wheels and I will explain you why do I need this. Okay, so first let's remove the wheels so I can explain this better. So the Corolla is right there. Okay, these are my aftermarket wheels. They are Rotiform TMB. And here you can see they are not in the center. I can move it. So the way I have to center the wheels, I have to use the lug nuts to center the wheel. And sometimes it won't be on the center, and because of that, it's going to vibrate the wheel, even if it's balanced and aligned or everything. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna put the hub centric rings. Okay, so first let's see if will fit on my wheels. If I got the right ones. Okay, let's remove it. So this is the center hub, okay, this area. And for my Corolla, this is the center hub, okay? So every car has a different size of this, okay? Every brand, like a Toyota, Honda, or Ford, or any car, okay? The center hub, it'll be different, okay? And because of that, the aftermarket wheels, they will make this bigger, so it'll fit on multiple brands. Okay, so like Ford Mustangs or Toyotas, Hondas, they do that because they want these wheels to fit multiple cars, so it's a universal wheel. Okay, but to make the wheels to fit, first you have to know the size of your brand. Okay, the Corolla center hub is a 54.1 millimeters, this one. Okay, so I got this one and 54.1 millimeters, but my aftermarket wheels center is a 57.1, I think. So these are the one I got. I got it. So it fits very good. Okay, so this simple thing it will keep the wheel on the center. Okay, so I want to remove the vibration of my wheel, because when I get in some areas on the freeway, when I drive about like a 55, it will start vibrating the wheel. Okay, here you can see how it will fit here perfectly. Yeah, but put first this on the wheel. Okay, so here you can see it's very easy. Just put it there, boom, and hit it so it'll be flush. You can see here that it has no play. The center is holding the wheel. All right, so now let me put the lug nuts and do the same process to the all wheels. Alright guys, today we're gonna pick the winner for the H11 Bosla LEDs, okay? Remember, no hate comment will win, so only the one that is subscribe and share the video and like the video, alright? So here, close this one, paste the link. This 29 comments, okay? Let's pick the winner. Alright. Okay. The winner is SCX1718U. Okay? Yes. Right here. Let's check if it's on here. What is the name? SCX. Let's see. Right here. Congratulations to SCX1718U. He is the winner for the LEDs. The winner has to send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram, okay? And has to send me a proof that he liked the video, that he subscribed to the video, and that he shared this video, okay? Like a screenshot, alright? So congratulations for the winner. And we're gonna make more giveaways, alright? I wanna, for those products that company sent me, I'm gonna do more giveaways, okay? So thank you for watching. Okay guys, those are the hub Centric rings. The car feels not so smooth. Okay, the link is gonna be in the description of the video. But remember, you have to know first what's the hub size of your car and the hub size of your aftermarket wheels, okay? And also congratulations for the winner, okay? Send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram, alright? Also, I have a new video challenge I'm gonna do for the headliner, okay? Wait for that video, but that one is gonna take me longer because it's not easy to do. Okay, but that one is gonna be on the next video, so hit the notification bell so you see how I do that headliner in a different color. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you have a comment, put it in the comments, a question. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. And remember, the next video is gonna be very cool. Hit the notification bell. See you on the next video.